All right, I've got Robert's tech bag all ready to go here. This will be in our Amazon store if you are interested in getting one on your own. So he has some smaller items here, batteries. Let's see what else is in this little pack here. Looks like a tripod attachment. Wires of every sort, battery charging. Yep, GoPro wires, batteries, memory sticks. Never know what you'll need, right? So we have camera. He did find the dividers. I know on our video we didn't have all the dividers, but we do have them now. There is the gimbal. So that's nice that we were able to get that out of the large bag that it comes in. More USD or SD cards in that, and there's an SD adapter. Battery blocks, charging blocks, 2 of them in there. So that's great. I'll put this back the way he has it or he'll kill me. Microphones, good to have around. And, oh, this is a clock. So this is more getting into tech stuff for our stateroom. So we have a outlet extender. We'll highlight that in a video on the cruise ship. Lights, sensor lights for the cruise ship. There's the GoPro. This looks like a wide-angle lens for our DSLR camera. And this is an alarm clock, I believe, for the cruise ship. So we are ready to go.